Hello guys, tignan nyo guys ha. I want to touch this one. I'm showing you this. Okay, take a look. I press this Facebook. Take a look which profile. It's my profile, but I don't want to stay longer in here. It's because automatically off. Okay, so take a look. It's mine. So okay. So then I want to check his TikTok account. So this is him. Okay, take a look. So take a look guys ha. Did you see this one? So this is my TikTok account. So take a look the messages. So okay. So I don't understand why. Who they are. So okay. Again I want to show you this profile. Take a look. It's my profile. It's my Facebook account. Who they are. Why they added my Facebook link into his YouTube channel. So it's me. This is new video posted just few hour ago. March 9. So okay, take a look. This is it. So I want to show you again the country. Take a look. So this is Pakistan channel. Take a look guys. This is Pakistan channel. So it's really terrible. Touch more. Scroll down, okay, and then check this profile. So I can see my profile in Facebook. Who they are. Who they are impersonating my Facebook account. Did you see? It's my Facebook account. Who they are impersonating my Facebook account. Take a look. So I don't want to stay longer in my Facebook account. It's because YouTube channel detected that I am making a screen video record. So it's clear